Ironing jeans with a steamer? It's honestly kind of a revelation. Most people hear steamer and think it's just for delicate blouses or suit jackets. But here's the kicker. It actually works wonders for denim. Let me explain. The pain point is obvious. Ironing jeans is annoying. They're thick, they're heavy, and somehow the wrinkles still laugh in your face. A steamer cuts through all that frustration. No wrestling with fabric or creases, just smooth, even results. First off, all you need is a steamer and a sturdy hanger. You're not going to need an ironing board or any of those pesky attachments. You're streamlining the process from the get-go. Efficiency is the name of the game here. Fill the steamer with clean water, distilled, ideally. Tap water works, but if you're in a hard water area, it can mess with the steamer over time. Pro tip: distilled water prevents mineral buildup, keeping your steamer running like new. Now, hang your jeans somewhere secure at eye level. I like using a shower rod or over-the-door hook. Just make sure they aren't bunched up or half folded over. The flatter they hang, the better the steam penetrates. Fire up the steamer and give it a minute to heat up. Here's a fun fact. Steamers actually relax the denim fibers instead of crushing them like an iron does. That means less wear and tear over time. Jeans last longer. Start with the waistband. Hold the steamer nozzle about an inch away and move slowly, like you're painting with invisible strokes. Watch as the steam magically erases those stubborn creases. It's honestly pretty satisfying. Next, tackle the legs. Work from the top down, paying extra attention to areas that always bunch up, like behind the knees. Same slow, deliberate motions. Denim loves steam because it's heavy enough to hold shape afterward. Don't forget the pockets. They tend to get crumpled, especially if you shove your phone or wallet in them every day. Steam inside and out for a crisp look. Pro tip: smooth them out with your hand as you steam. Ready for the kicker? You can even use the steamer to refresh those worn-out, faded marks. The heat softens the fabric, and you can reshape areas that look overly creased or too stretched. It's like giving jeans a mini spa day. Let the jeans hang for a couple of minutes to cool. This is key. The fibers will fully set into place as they dry. If you wear them right away, you risk smushing all that hard anti-ironing work you just did. Honestly, using a steamer on jeans feels like one of those life hacks that shouldn't work but totally does. It's quicker, easier, and better for the fabric in the long run. Try it out. You'll never look at your iron the same way again.